Let's quickly cut across to Karnataka, where we're looking at some discrepancies in the orders issued by the government itself. Now, India Today has accessed Karnataka government order, which has now made home quarantine mandatory for state and union ministers in the state. According to the government SOP, central and state ministers on duty travelling anywhere in India will have to undergo 14-day home quarantine upon reaching Karnataka. The order was issued about 2 days ago on the 27th. However, the ministers have been exempted from institutional quarantine. They don't have to go through institutional quarantine. They have to mandatory go through home quarantine. Now, this revised order comes just after Union Minister Sadananda Gowda sparked a controversy by landing in Bengaluru and refusing to go into quarantine. Not institutional quarantine, neither home quarantine, even though it was mandated. And at that time, the B.S. Yediyurappa-led government had come out with an order that was dated 23rd of May, stating that union and state ministers would be exempted from the rule. And then just few days later, 23rd of May, that order was issued where ministers, state and centre are exempted from quarantine. And now on the 27th, just in a gap of 4 days, Karnataka government takes a U-turn and says it is mandatory for state and union ministers to go through home quarantine. There's no exemption. So here we're looking at a U-turn done by the Karnataka government. But remember, Sadananda Gowda, who escaped quarantine and said that he was exempted. Let's take a listen how the minister justified himself for flouting quarantine norms, saying that the rule was in place in Karnataka. But what happened to the rule now? It's reversed. Karnataka government has taken a U-turn on that. But let's go take a quick listen on what Sadananda Gowda had to say earlier.
I come under the exemption list for each and every SOP that will be issued either by the central government or the state government. There will be an SOP, standard operating procedure, where pharma is included. So I included. Apart from that, as a minister, I got myself examined in AIIMS. And I got app also, your Arogya Setu app. And even I was tested, screened in the airport. As a minister, I got some extra responsibility which can be performed not by sitting somewhere. So I have to move around the country.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.